Hello, my name's Devon, and I'm here to talk to you about global warming. So, we have everyone wondering, what is global warming? Well, let me tell you. Oops. So first I'm going to start out by telling you that we have countries and places that are emitting these fossil fuels, and they can release these by cutting down trees and forests and by emitting CFCs, which would be maybe like your hairspray. And then we have cars and other modes of transportation that are using oil and also releasing carbon into the air. And this carbon is being absorbed by the atmosphere and the earth, making the atmosphere a lot warmer than it was years ago. So people are wondering, why does a warming climate matter? Like, what's happening? And the reason behind this is because we have these ice caps in the north that are melting. And if you look, we have this huge ice cap, and more than 20% of it has melted away. So people are going to wonder, but still, why does it matter if those ice caps melt? Well, first of all, we have this little sad polar bear right here. And he's going to surely not have anywhere to live and inhabit anymore and have, any animals to kill. So he's going to surely die off, which everyone is sad about that. So they cry because we had a cute little polar bear and now we lost them. And then we have cities like this that are flooding because all the ice comes and melts down and it goes into these cities, all these coastal cities. So I already told you about flooding that happens, but I haven't told you that there's also going to be droughts that happen and extreme snowing, and we all know that we don't want that. And then on top of that, we have these little mosquitoes that harvest by having warm air, and our air is getting warmer, and they go zzz, and they bite you. And they spread disease in countries that are least developed, is where it's going to take the worst to hit. And so we have the spread of an infectious disease. So then we probably have to wonder, who's doing this? And why aren't we stopping it? And the reason behind this is, if you look, we have this country right here that's contributing 30.3% to global warming. And then we look on this map here, and we find out that that same country is also is taking the least amount of hit from this. So it would make sense why they aren't doing anything, because they aren't going to become affected by it. And then we have a country like little bitty Africa, and they're contributing 2.5%. And then we look at this, and look at that right there. They're becoming affected, but they're trying to do something.